aiming to enter a highly competitive market and outperform possible rivals with comparable offerings, like Tesla, Ford, Rivian, and others. Polestar has launched its all-electric SUV, known as the Polestar 3. As options for electric vehicles increase, Polestar is making an effort to seize a sizable share of the market by providing a premium design, competitive performance, and a competitive range rating. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification button to get new tech contents delivered to you. The Chinese company Geely Motors and Volvo jointly own Polestar, which has recently introduced a number of electric vehicle concepts. The company's first vehicle, the Polestar 1, was manufactured in incredibly small numbers from 2019 to 2021. After that, in February 2019, the Polestar 2 was introduced, and deliveries began the following year. The Polestar 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all under development. On Wednesday, October 12, 2022, Polestar unveiled the Polestar 3 at a ceremony in Copenhagen, Denmark. Polestar, a joint venture between Geely Motors and Volvo, has been selling the Polestar 2 for almost 2 years, and it is now working on the 4, 5, and 6. Although the carmaker has previously revealed concept images of the Polestar 3, this was the first time the public was witnessing the vehicle's live unveiling. According to Polestar, Polestar 3 reinvents the SUV with premium electric performance and cutting-edge, environmentally friendly technology. On its website, Polestar defines the car as transforming the automotive landscape while maintaining the environment as a priority. Polestar. The Polestar 3 is slated to be one of the most environmentally friendly vehicles ever produced and will be produced at the Volvo Cars plant in Charleston, South Carolina. Volvo's entry into the EV architecture development process was through the Polestar 3. According to Polestar, the Polestar 3's brand new, next-generation architecture was created from the ground up for complete electrification. Polestar plans to introduce cutting-edge and totally original EV technology, starting with the Polestar 3, which is supported by Google's Android Automotive OS infotainment system and comes equipped with high-end, safety-focused autonomous driving features. Advanced safety features are made possible by Polestar 3's 5 radar modules, 5 external cameras, and 12 ultrasonic sensors. Through forward-facing sensors, a heated radar module, and a camera, the SmartZone and front Aero-Wing continuously gather data. Polestar stated that this is a signature of the company's design. 2 closed-loop driver monitoring cameras that track the driver's gaze are installed in the cabin by Polestar to promote safer driving. The cameras may detect a distracted, sleepy, or disconnected driver and provide warning messages, sounds, or even an emergency stop function, according to Polestar. The Polestar 3 will have a 111 kWh battery pack with a generous but unconfirmed WLTP range rating of 379 miles. According to the EPA's vehicle database, when the vehicle is tested, which hasn't happened yet, expect this number to be lower. The prismatic cells in the 111 kWh battery pack from Polestar are protected by an aluminum shell that has been fortified with boron steel and liquid cooling. Additionally, Polestar standardized a heat pump on the Polestar 3, helping with efficiency and range degradation, especially in colder climates. The Polestar 3 will be ready for purchase today, according to Polestar. Orders for the Polestar 3 will be able to add Luminaire's optional pilot pack with litter starting in the second quarter of 2023. This bundle includes an additional NVIDIA control unit, 4 ultrasonic sensors, 3 extra cameras, and cleaning for both the front and rear view cameras. This permits more thorough 3D scanning of the car's surroundings and aids in getting the vehicle ready for autonomous driving. According to Polestar, the initial ramp-up phase of production would commence at Volvo's site in Chengdu, China, in the middle of 2023. The purchase cost is $88,187. In Q4 2023, the first deliveries will happen. The vehicle will be produced by Volvo in Ridgeville, South Carolina, for the North American and foreign markets. Initial deliveries of South Carolina-made units will start in the middle of 2024 when production shifts from China to the United States.